Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And if you guys can remember, a few days back I have showed you a workspace, a really innovative new type of workspace, that is Tilde, where you can jot down your notes. So it has some kind of notepad, sticky notes, all of them. Use blackboard also, not blackboard, whiteboard features also. And as well as you can use what you can use video chat and voice calls, all into one single platform and one single interface. So I have found today something almost similar like Tilde, but a little bit different in terms of usage. No, like all of the usage are same, but in terms of little bit of features, they're gonna be vary. Okay. And in Tilde, all of the features were anonymous. Here you have to log in, you have to create an account in order to make a space. Now why I am featuring yet another similar product when we have Tilde already? So few days back, Teachers Day, me and my team organized a program for our teachers in college. Okay. And we really this was the first time we really tried out Tilde, like on its full potential. We have used everything: the wordpad editor, the sticky notes, the link, pasting links and all, everything. And then a moment happened when we were just casually hanging out there and talking a lot, and like just fiddling around, and all of our stuffs were written there. Okay. Then a moment happened when suddenly all of the wordpad gone blank. We don't know how. Like, how can it be possible? Like, they just gone blank. And where we started pressing Control Z, Control Z, nothing was happening. Nothing. And sorry, my bad. And Tilde doesn't have a version history. So how unreliable Tilde is, like, my god. So if it was a serious product, like serious project, then we're gonna be in like whole lot of trouble. So it's better that it was not too much serious. And as we are our own written all of the scripts, so we written it down again in Word, like Word, not Word, but in Google Docs, and share it to everybody. So yeah, Tilde is unreliable and it is in its beta version. And I have before this incident, I also tried to go connect with those guys who are making Tilde to give them a feedback. They never replied back. First thing, I haven't tried uh, contacting those whom I'm gonna feature today, but still I think it gonna sustain. Let's think that and let's give it a try as well. So basically, what's our point of view? That it supports the collaboration, visual collaborating workspace with like jotting down functionality of any kind, wordpad, notes, anything. And rather than that, it has whiteboard feature. Now it directly doesn't have whiteboard feature, but it have a cool feature that will just show you right now. Okay. So let me share it, and then what just give you a overview of the platform. Okay. So here is our today's interface, that is proud.place, almost like Tilde, but maybe better than. Here you can see they have those little windows of video. Obviously, when your mouse are hovering, you can see it here. When your mouse are hovering, you can your video can hover with the mouse as well, and you can like create a face dock. They said it face dock, and dock your face in here also. Okay. And they have these cool little things that are gifs and images. They have library of it built in. So it's really kind of fun place first of all, that tilde is not. And rather than that, let me show you other things. Here you can see, try pull up a chair, that is face dog. So face dog is literally something a little bit different and great new feature that I really like. And you can lock the position of your face in here also. And you can see the cool animations of there. Okay, so it can be playtime, obviously they what they are saying. It can be 1:1 meeting also. You can see it here, and they have written down some of the like what they have to do and all, like jotting down, basically jotting down everything. Then there is presentation mode, where you can just like upload up image and present through it. And just chilling out sections where you can play game. You can see face doc, write text, upload image, search for image. So those little image, cute image that you are seeing, those are search for image. Write down your own style, write style rules, css. So yes, this is the hidden feature of this platform. They have custom css abilities. So how cool are they? Yes, they have custom css abilities. Literally you can write down your own background, like if you want, if you don't want this grid like space, rather than that you want what you want like maybe yeah, a thumbnail of some kind that you use in your video, or something else, anything you can like put in your background, if you know css, then only. Okay. And then there is a last feature, browse web. So you can directly open a window of web here. Now you may ask, so Mehul, where is the whiteboard feature? Now here is the trick. When you open the browse web feature, they directly open paint, like just paint. Okay, I forgot the instruction, but yeah, extension of it, domain of it, but it directly open just pen. And just pen literally works as a whiteboard. How clever is that? Great, isn't it? So here how they work. Okay, here are all of the features I have explained here. And obviously camera and a option are there, obviously. Okay, so here are all of the things, and you can see it here. It is much more productive area, like when however you like, you can use it. And this is a really cool feature that I like to, so I have taken a picture and posted in my WhatsApp of these glasses only. So really great, really great. But I don't know, yeah, how much it gonna sustain or what, like is it reliable or not. We have to check it out thoroughly, using it by using it in a project. So I will obviously check it out in a project and let you guys know. And there is a great thing that they also provide, that is you can export your workspace as publish as web page, and export as text, export as JSON. So those are really great thing that Tilde doesn't have, but they have. Another cool thing. Okay, so here is just about it. The website, like the workplace, the website, whatever you may want to call. And you see this, you can literally create cool virtual environments here and go through it and all. Like you can create a great digital experience through it. It would be great. Like you can like visually represent everything. So I will obviously use it in my some of my future projects, or some of my future, or like events that I gonna organize. Obviously I gonna use it and play with it a lot. Then I will let you know if it's reliable, or if it's working great or not. So that's it about this video. Please let me know if you like it or not. Please use it. First of all, use Sprout platform. Give me feedback also, if you guys are liking it or not. And then let me know, like if it really works, if it really reliable or not, or how you liked it, like how you arranged all of your workspace and what. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, because I haven't still reached 100 subscriber. So please, okay, literally please. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great web apps like this, or websites, or resources, design resources, coding resources, APIs, whatever, open source, whatever, let me know about all of them in the comments, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. Rather than comments, you can DM me in social medias also, so I can obviously get ideas about them and feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.